Thank you for watching this video. For more information, knowledge and facts on Hahnemann's Organon of Medicine, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press bell icon to get instant update.
Aphorism 3. If the physician clearly perceives what is to be cured in diseases, that is to say, in every individual case of disease. Knowledge of disease. Indication. If he clearly perceives what is curative in medicines, that is to say, in each individual medicine. Knowledge of medicinal powers. And if he knows how to adapt, according to clearly defined principles, what is curative in medicines to what he has discovered to be undoubtedly morbid in the patient, so that the recovery must ensue. To adapt it, as well in respect to the suitability of the medicine most appropriate according to its mode of action to the case before him. Choice of the remedy. The medicine indicated, as also in respect to the exact mode of preparation and quantity of it required. Proper dose. And the proper period for repeating the dose. If, finally, he knows the obstacles to recovery in each case and is aware how to remove them, so that the restoration may be permanent, then he understands how to treat judiciously and rationally, and he is a true practitioner of the healing art.
Thank you for watching this video at Organon of Medicine. I am sure you must have subscribed this channel. You can watch more related videos here now, especially created for you.